Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve dating not showing messages on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve dating not showing messages on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.